In this video, we are going to discuss about one problem. Uh, so, the given problem is the oriented graph. So, what is a oriented graph? Means a graph which has which includes a direction. Okay, so that is the direction of current. Okay, so for that one, you have to obtain the incidence matrix. Okay, so this is how the graph looks like. Sorry. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 they represent node. Okay. Okay. So totally there are 6 nodes. Okay. And this is called as, this arrow is called as directed, otherwise oriented graph. Okay, so if it is a non-oriented graph, means there won't be any arrow. So this arrow represents the flow of current. Okay, so so this is a question. So I'm going to take this line as A. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is called as branches. Okay, so totally I have 9 branches. Okay, so they are asked to obtain the incidence matrix, right? So incidence matrix it is a branch versus node. Okay, so first you have to write branches. Okay, so the branches are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so these are the branches, and you have to write the nodes here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 nodes. So this is nodes, and this is a branches. Okay, so for the first node, you can see this is your first node. First node you have only A and I. So for A and I, for the rest of the thing you have to give 0. Okay, so I have only A and I. So you can see the direction of the A, it is going outward. Okay, so I also, it is going outward, therefore you have to give 1. So for the second node, A, H, F and B. A, H, F and B. So A alone is incoming. Okay, so A alone is incoming. For the rest, B, F and H is outgoing. So that is 1. So since A is coming towards 2, so this is minus 1. Okay, so let me go for the next node 3. So 3 you have B, E, F, B, E, C. So B, E, sorry, B, E, C. So for B, B and E is incoming. Okay, B and E is incoming, and C is outgoing. So next for 4. For 4, C and D. C and D are incoming. C and D are incoming. So for the rest, it is 0. And for 5, you can see F and G are incoming. F and G is incoming, and E and D is outgoing, right? Outgoing from 5. E and D. Next 6. For 6, for 60 you have F is incoming. So F is incoming means it is -1, right? G and I is incoming and G is outgoing, right? So this is how this is your complete incidence matrix. Okay. So you can see in the column wise. Okay, so this is nothing but column C. Okay, so if you see if you add the column, okay, if you add the column you have to get 0. So if you add the column you have to get 0. -1 plus 1 is 0. -1 plus 1 is 0. 0 0 0 0. So if that is the case, it is correct. Okay, so this is your incidence matrix. Okay. So in addition to that one, so we know that this is your incidence matrix. So so if I want to plot a reduced incidence matrix, you have to delete one row. Okay, so this is a row. So if I want to plot the reduced pricing, let me reduce one row. So now this is called as reduced instance matrix. Okay. So this is your circuit, and let me go for the second question. Okay, so the second question is for the graph. Okay, for the graphs, select a tree. Okay, select a tree of your own choice, and determine the tie set schedule. So this is a question. So what does tree means? Tree means the condition for tree is it contains all the node. Okay, all the node, and there should not be any loop inside it. Okay, so let me take this graph 2 3 6 5, and this is 4, and this is 1. Okay, so for this one this so this is a tip. Why? Because you can see all the nodes are connected and it is not forming any loop, right? So A, H, right, G, E, and C. Okay, so this is called as now it is called as tweaks. So this is a one tree. So this is called as tree. So you can form in any way you can connect. Okay, so that is why they are giving you can select a tree of your own choice. Now I have selected this one. Okay, so for each tree you have a core tree. Okay, so what is core tree means? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we see the here 1 and 6 are not connected. Next 2 and 5 is not connected, and 5 and 4 and 2 and 3. So now this is a core tree. Hit this B, D, and this is F5, 4. Yeah. So again, if I want to plot the tie set schedule, okay, if I want to plot the tie set schedule, so first let us draw, first link that is I. Okay, so we have to draw the direction also. So this dotted line is called as leads. Okay, that is from core tree. So this is the direction of this one. So you have to draw the current also in this direction. So that is same as that of I. So if you see the current of this I1 is opposite to that of A and H, right? So first let us write the node value branch value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and you have to write the direction of A and minus HS minus 1 and IS. Since the direction of the current is opposite to that of A and H, and that is in the same direction of I. Okay. So next I can plot it for B. Alright, so you can see for the next link. So let me erase this one, and let's go for another core tree. So if I draw the core tree, it has to form only loop. Okay, loop is in the form of closed. So in the closed loop, you can see I have B, E, G, and H. So this I2 current is also in the same direction of B. Okay, so if you check that one, apart from B, there's T, H and minus G is opposite direction. So it is minus. Okay. So next, let me erase this one, and I can either go for F or D. Right. So I hope you can able to understand this one. So this is I2 current, and next this is just a name. Okay, so you can give either I1, I2, whatever the names. So make sure that the link direction and the current direction should be in the should be same. Okay, so next let me go for F. So this is here F in the current direction of F is this one. So that should be in same direction of F. So we can see G and H are in opposite direction. So for G and H you have to give -1, and for F, G and F should be positive. Sorry. And rest you have to give it as 0. Okay. So what are the other code trees there? Neat is there. This is here I3. Okay. So let me erase this one, and let me go for D down. So here you can see I4 should be in the direction of B. So again you can see C and E are in opposite direction. Okay. So for C and E you have to give -1, and for F, and for D you have to give 1. So this is called as a tie-set matrix. So this is with respect to AB's, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, all your branches, right?